Hello friend, today we will show a special puzzle which is quite interesting. See the position on the board. White has this pawn is past pawn and your challenge is white to play and win. If you accept this, pause your video and try to solve. Now we are giving solution. Here first move, white can win with special move. White can mistake here if he moves any of the pawn. Let's say try to promote this pawn, it is a blunder. Why? Then queen will go to g1 check and draw, stalemate. White is to capture this queen either with queen or king and stalemate. So we will not use this option. So here instead of moving pawn, white gives check from h3. Queen h3 check, king will go g5 and now pawn is moved on g7 threatening to promote this pawn and check. What to do here? If black plays, let's say queen here check or here, then queen will come in between and not a good option. Black has to resign, so we will not play. Here if queen d2 check, then what to do? Here if queen is g2, here black tried to save his game. He uses a trap. King h4. See this move. So here white cannot take this queen because of stalemate. What to do? Black is threatening to take this queen. If queen or rook is promoted, then queen cross queen is stalemate or draw. So here under promotion wins the game. Bishop, only bishop, not knight. Bishop g8 promoted bishop. And now what to do? If queen d6 check, let's say king will go g1, queen check, queen f1. Now he cannot give check because of queen will come here and exchanging the queen, winning the game. Let's say queen back on d6, then queen e1 check, and now black cannot come here because of bishop will come here mate or queen will be lost. So here king will go g5 and king g2. See this move? Now black has no good option. Let's say queen c6, then queen e5 check. He cannot come on here because of queen will come g3 mate. So here only option to back. Let's say on h6, queen is exchanged, queen cross queen, bishop cross, and here black resign. So you saw this precautionary puzzle. Hope you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned with Gupta Chess 15. Thank you.